Tension gripped the Balimunda Panchayat under Basudevpur block after the death of a 3-month-old baby girl, allegedly just a few hours after receiving a vaccination at a local Anganwadi center on Tuesday. According to reports, the infant, daughter of Rajaram Jena from Balimunda village, was administered routine immunization at the Anganwadi center on Monday. A few hours later, her parents noticed that the child's condition had deteriorated. The baby was immediately rushed to Basudevpur Medical Center for treatment, but doctors declared her dead on arrival. The incident has triggered grief and concern among local residents, who have demanded a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding the baby's death. The district administration and health department have been informed and further inquiry is underway.
पोलियो देला बड़ा हल्का ताको ज्वर आसिला ज्वर आसिला परे ताको मेडिसिन आमे देइनु किछि तापरे से राति 10टा ता मां ताको खीर देकी ताको सोई देइतला राति 4टा बेलू आमे उठी के देखिला बेलू ता मां देखिला जे डाकिला झियो को खीर दवा पई से आ उठु ना आमे संगे संगे बासदेवपुर स्वास्थ्य केंद्र को नहीं आसिलु से सेठी डॉक्टर मृत घोषणा कले आ मो झियो तो भलो थिला वैक्सीन दबार ही एटा हला मु